Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Face ID not working issue on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about after buying the iPhone 15 they are facing an issue of Face ID, that their Face ID not working on their iPhone 15s and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video I will tell you how to fix Face ID not working or Face ID stop working on your iPhone 15 models. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to ensure Face ID is set up correctly on your iPhone 15. You have to open the settings on your iPhone 15, scroll down and then tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode of your iPhone 15 and make sure that the Face ID is set up correctly. If it hasn't been set up yet, follow the on-screen instructions to do so. After this, then you have to simply clean the TrueDepth camera and sensor. Make sure that the TrueDepth camera system and sensors located in the notch of the top of your iPhone 15 screen are clean and free from any obstruction. Use a soft length-free cloth to clean the area. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone 15. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to simply open the settings, then scroll down and then tap on General. Again, you scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone 15 and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is check your iOS update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone 15. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. So guys, to do this, you have to simply open the transfer reset iPhone on your iPhone 15, then tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Face ID not working issue on your iPhone 15 models. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.